Okay, today we are going to talk about Nifty 50. Okay, this Nifty, we need to analyze this market in live. Okay, this is monthly chart, but monthly is also going on uptrend after that going far down, and after market is coming up. Okay, we need to analyze any buying opportunity or selling opportunities in Nifty 50. Okay, advice. So we need to go to the weekly chart first because we shouldn't have any patterns formation. So go to the weekly. Yeah, okay, weekly is also after it's in jet it's in close above this previous higher high, so it is still in downtrend. Okay, after we need to draw the support and resistance, we need to go to the line chart to plot support resistance. Monthly is red. Okay, monthly or weekly, this weekly or red. This is the next resistance level, current market. This is the previous low. This is the support for the current market. These two are the intermediate, but this is not a good support or resistance. These are very good supply and demand areas. Okay, next we are going to the forward chart. Okay, this is the low time frame for week chart, so that reason we are going to forward chart. Sometimes we choose monthly, that low time frame daily, but this is weekly, so low time frame is 4 hours. We need to draw the support resistance, the blue color. I got blue. Now after, yeah, this is a very good resistance in current market. Okay, sorry for that. Yeah, current market, and I need one more. This is support. Why I need one more resistance until this is nearly this current market. Okay, I need to go to the previous history. After I got any point, I need to check that. Oh, okay, did you understood this area? This is a good support on previous history, so this is a resistance for current market. Okay, so I draw that line. Okay, okay, this is enough to analyze this market in 4 hours. Okay, so 4 hours is tradable. This is his support resistance level. This is the weekly, this 3 or 4 hours. Okay, that's enough to trade. Okay, did you see any patterns in here? Anyone? Did you see any patterns? Yeah. This is have a cyber pattern. Okay, we need to check that these levels are okay or not, but this formation is basically cyber because this is X, it is A, B, C. So C is closed below this A, so this is normally forming this cyber pattern. So we need to check that correct or not. Okay, the cyber pattern is one of the harmonic pattern. It's advanced pattern, but we talked previous video how to trade with cyber, so you need to go to check that video clearly how to use this cyber pattern and how to get profit from this cyber pattern. Okay, let's go. We are going to check that this cyber is valid or not. After we can go for trade, live trade. First I draw the line. Okay, because that is easy to identify the low and highs. Okay, this is the good low. Okay, after this is after this is, and next is market is going to here, but so it's Monday you have a good chance to enter the market for a sell opportunity. It is cyber pattern. We need to confidently, we need to show this is cyber pattern. After you can go for the trade to sell. Okay, I have to put that X A B A A B. Okay, these are the X A B C patterns. These are the formations. So we need to check that this is valid cyber pattern or not valid. Okay. Okay. First, you need to check that AB. AB is, how to find this AB is B level. You need to plot this Fibonacci retracement tool from X to A. Okay. So I plot this X to A. This part is this level. What is this level? This is 0.618. Okay. So this B is stuck at 0.618. Okay. The valid B is, the level is from 0.38 to 0.61. This B is need to close between 0.38 to 0.618, but this is touched at 0.61 but isn't close, because normally red candle closes below this is, so red candle can go up. Okay, so this close is below 0.618, so this is valid pattern. Okay, did you got my point? Okay, so AB is valid. So after we need to check that BC is valid or not. How to find that BC? BC is also, we need to use this Fibonacci extension tool. How to use Fibonacci extension to find that BC? We need to plot that points. We need to find that C from X to A. Draw X to A. Again, we need to come to X level. Okay, did you got? This is the correct way to draw, to use this extension tool. So how to find the C? You need to plot start point X, after A, again go to A, X level. After, what is this level? This touch, you can clearly, you can see this point. This touch is 1.272. The valid cyber have this area, this area. This is the valid cyber. Okay, this is the valid cyber from 1.27 to 1.41. so this is touch that 1.27, so this is valid. Okay, after we need to go check that CD. How to find that CD? So this time is market is going to need to touch that C, after you can go for trade. So how to find that D level? CD is, we need to use again retracement tool. CD is equal to, we need to draw this Fibonacci resistance, Fibonacci retracement tool from X to, okay, from X to C, right? Okay, X to C. This 0.78 is need to come to touch this market. 0.78 minimum touch. Okay, it's got this minimum touch this market, come and touch 0.78. After you need to go to the low time frame and you can check that this again market come down. After you can go for the entry. Okay, that is the entry point. Okay, so minimum touch this 0.78. Sometimes go to until can go up. Okay, but minimum need to cross this B level. Did you got my point? Minimum need to cross this B level. This time is nearly B. So this candles need to cross this B and touch this 0.78 after market is coming down. Okay, sometimes that can go up minimum this level also. Okay, that is not issue, but can't go to this X level. Okay, this level. Okay, this level touch that this current market, that is not valid as cyber. Okay, this is also a double top. After touch a double top, that is we have a chance to trade, but in case the another case, okay, the target is different and entry is different. Okay, so this is the entry area. How can we go to the targets, tradable targets? Okay, after again market is coming down, you can go for the targets. So we need to draw the retracement, Fibonacci retracement again X A to D. Okay, A to D. A to D. Sometimes market is going here. Sometimes market can go there. Okay, so this level I am drawing here. Okay, that's enough. So the market, this is the this is the again this is the target one, 0.38. This is the target one. And next target is 0.618. Okay, these are the targets. And where the stop loss? You draw a stop loss also. This is above X. You need to draw the stop loss. Okay. The entry point, target 1, target 2, and another thing is stop losses. Okay. This is the way to trade with cyber pattern. So okay, so you need to wait and patient in the market on Monday, and this candle is go and touch, and after a reversal on low time frame, after you can go for the entry. Nearly you can got the entry nearly here or here. Okay, after you can go for the trade TP1 and TP2 and stop loss in E. Right, okay. And we can analyze like these markets on next videos. So you subscribe my channel and you can get that more analyze videos on live market. Okay.